Hi, this is Sabah and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you different ways to say explain. Number 1. Elaborate. Example. Could you elaborate on your new theory? Number 2. Clarify. Example. I asked him to clarify what he meant. Number 3. Define. Example. The term mental illness is difficult to define. Number 4. Elucidate. Example. You have not understood. Allow me to elucidate. Number 5. Interpret. Example. He had no idea how to interpret the warning. Number 6. Reveal. Example. She unwrapped the paper to reveal 7 gold coins. Number 7. Spell out. Example. Let me spell out why we need more money. Number 8. Expound. Example. She expounded her views on the subject to me at great length. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you liked this one. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll come back again. You just take care of yourself. Bye bye.